In this short tutorial, we'll walk you through how to connect your Bluetooth speaker to your laptop in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Turn on your Bluetooth speaker power on your Bluetooth speaker and put it into pairing mode. Typically, this is done by holding down the Bluetooth button until the light starts flashing. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth on your laptop. For Windows, go to Settings, Devices, Bluetooth and other devices and turn Bluetooth on. For Mac, open System Preferences, Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Step 3. Pair the devices. For Windows, click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device, select Bluetooth and choose your speaker from the list. Click Connect. For Mac, in the Bluetooth menu, find your speaker and click Connect. Step 4. Set your speaker as the default audio output for Windows. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar. Select Open Sound Settings and choose your Bluetooth speaker under Output. For Mac, go to System Preferences, Sound, and select your Bluetooth speaker under the Output tab. Step 5. Test the connection, play any audio, and confirm that the sound is coming from your Bluetooth speaker. If it works, you're all set. That's it. You've successfully connected your Bluetooth speaker to your laptop. If this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.